Hey there, welcome to this tiny workshop, tiny tips segment. My name's John Madden. Now, if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our little tiny tips. What we're doing here today is we're looking at an easy way to glue and screw bits of wood together. We're building a little workshop cabinet that doesn't need elaborate joints. So I'm going to show you how to glue and screw something together very easily using simple tools that looks great. Now we only need a simple set of tools to make this screw and dowel joint that I'm going to call it, okay? We've got our marking out gear, so we've got a scribe, or a marking gauge, sorry. We've got a ruler, a pencil and a brad all to some. We've got some drilling gear. We've got a 9mm drill bit, we've got a little countersink drill bit, and I've got a little driving mechanism. I've got a flush cut saw, a hammer, and some glue. I've also got this little sneaky setup of clamps here that I'm going to use to hold my pieces of timber while I put this joint together. What we're going to do is we're going to glue, screw it together, then take the screws back out again and replace it with a piece of dowel. And this looks great and it's very strong. I'm going to set my two drilling points 15mm from either edge. Using my cordless drill and a countersink driving bit, I'm going to drill that hole. So this piece of wood that I made earlier is dried and ready to add the dowels to. And what we're going to do is drill that hole out using this drill bit. Now, to reduce the chance of the wood tearing when we do this, if I drill straight in there, disaster. Let's get our little countersink bit again and drill that hole out. Then we can use our other drill to drill out the hole for the dowel. Just gently. Thanks for watching this Tiny Tips episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name's John Madden.